Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Calapan, MMSI 234564876. Call sign Oscar Juliet Hotel Gold. Position 56 degrees 34.4 north. 097 degrees 34.3 east. I am sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 8 persons on board, including 3 casualties. We have launched 3 lifeboats. 2 lifeboats have 4 people on board, including the casualties. The other lifeboat has 2 persons on board. Over. Pan pan, pan pan, pan pan. All station, all station, all station. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 8, 7, 6. Call sign Oscar Juliet Hotel Golf. Position 5, 6 degrees 3, 4 decimal 4 north 097 degrees 3, 4 decimal 3 east. I have problem on engine. I required tug assistance. Over. Security, security, security. All ship, all ship, all ship. In area Batangas Reef. This is 234564876. Motor vessel Calapan. Call sign Oscar Juliet Hotel Golf. Dangerous wreck located in position 3 nautical miles south of Batangas Reef. Over.